15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I will send mail. That sounds odd. What should I say? Send an email. Send an email. Please sign in. That is not right. How do you say it? Please log in. Please log in. I will sign out. That is not right. What should I say? I will log out. I will log out. Set manner mode. That does not work. How do you say it? Set to silent mode. Set to silent mode. I am doing dotabata. That does not work. What should I say? I am busy. I am busy. I will repeat. That is not right. How do you say it? Say it again. Say it again. Please check. That is not enough. What should I say? Please check it. Please check it. I did reset. That sounds odd. How do you say it? I reset it. I reset it. I will up. That does not work. What should I say? I will upload it. I will upload it. I will down. That is not correct. How do you say it? I will download it. I will download it. I will cancel. That is not right. What should I say? I will stop. I will stop. I did copy. That sounds odd. How do you say it? I copied it. I copied it. I will print out. That is not right. What should I say? I will print it. I will print it. I did save. That sounds odd. How do you say it? I saved it. I saved it. I will start. That is not right. What should I say? I will begin. I will begin. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.